Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. Let's say you have a really dirty old toilet that's got rings in it. It smells. There's pee stains around here that you can't seem to get up with your toothbrush. Maybe you're in an apartment and you're like, this toilet is nasty. There are very few products on the market that you can marinate your entire toilet in. That's not a pain in the butt to try and clean up. That's also not going to damage some stuff. What if I told you that you could use some straight up shaving cream to clean not only the inside of your toilet, you can see a slight ring starting to form in here, and we're going to take care of that, and I'm going to show you how. But you can also put this everywhere around your toilet. If you have a really stinky space, and this is a nice fresh scent, it contains alcohol, so it's going to kill all that bacteria. Let's go to town, shall we? We're going to go up here. We're gonna get down in here. We're doing it all. This is like soaking a dirty pair of underwear or something, or socks or something that you need to get clean, that you need to get up all around in here. Now let's spread that out. That was really satisfying, by the way. Now that you got your shaving cream all around the potential spaces where there's urine trapped, bacteria housed in there, you're gonna let this sit for as long as you possibly can stand to let it sit. If you're in a really old place, you got a lot of hard water stains down in there, you're gonna let this sit overnight if you can. And then the next step, get yourself a bucket of some warm water, and then you are just going to wipe away all that shaving cream. The nice thing too is that the shaving cream does have an ingredient in it which will help repel future stains. Yes, you may have seen this on your windshield. I don't think it works as well on a windshield, and when you do use it on your windshield, it only works 1 or 2 times, but there is an added bonus to using the shaving cream on your toilet. Down around here, this is where a lot of stink comes in. Make sure your toilet is properly sealed as well, so that gases are not coming up. That is coming up really nicely and easily. I just have the top right here. If it's good enough for your face, it's good enough for your toilet. The nice thing is that shaving cream is white, so if you miss a spot and you have a porcelain toilet that's white, such as this one, the shaving cream will naturally evaporate. Whereas if you use cleaners, a lot of times it'll be dripping down the side and then you'll have an issue and it just won't look as clean as you'd like it to. Now, a really quick tip here before we dive in the middle where our toilet ring was starting to form. You may see here in the hinges that you have some shaving cream left over, depending on how long you left it. That's okay, it's going to evaporate, and in fact it's probably going to make your toilet a lot cleaner and make it smell even better. You certainly can remove all this, but that's a pain in my butt. All right, let's get in here with the toilet brush and go to town. This is also an excellent way just to clean your toilet. Drop a little shaving cream in there. It's already in your bathroom, probably, rather than having to get out the bleach and all those other chemical cleaners that may have harsh smells or may be irritating to you. Look at that, it just feels cleaner. Yes, let's do a quick flush here. There we go, my friend. That pink ring is no more. All right, YouTube thinks you're gonna wanna watch this video next, but I think you're gonna watch this video. Let's see who's right. Lots of freebies for you below. Thumbs up.